Everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign out from Google account. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show you how you can do it. Signing out of Google account is going to basically sign you out from you're going to completely remove your account from your device completely. Anything that uses Google is not going to you're not going to access it again until you sign in again. So how you can do it. Now there is no obvious or just there is no direct way to do it, but it's actually not so like, and it's not as direct as you would think. So how we can do it is that you're going to go onto settings. From settings, you're going to scroll down all the way to something called security and privacy. From security and privacy, you're going to click on accounts, and then you're going to click on Google account security. And then you're going to click on manage accounts on this device. Then you're going to let me say I want to go to this account, and then you're going to click on remove account and then remove account. So this is basically you have just removed your account and signed out from all your accounts, and you're going to sign out from all the things that you could use Google for. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.